SpaceX has confirmed the recovery of a 52-metre rocket stage that spent 24 days bobbing around the Indian Ocean off Christmas Island, and locals couldn't get enough of it while it was out there. The stage is Starship Ship 40, which flew on the company's Flight 13 test back in late July. After completing its mission, Ship 40 came down for a deliberate, propulsive splashdown, roughly 1,500 kilometres off the coast of Western Australia. SpaceX intentionally bringing it down over open water to prove it could pull off a controlled landing without a tower to catch it. That's harder than it sounds. University of Southern Queensland Space Program Director Matt Richardson explained the ship basically came to a complete stop just above the water, then dropped in, a deliberate simulation of what an actual controlled landing would look like. Getting it back out again turned out to be the tricky part. Rough seas hampered the retrieval operation for weeks, and it took 24 days at sea before a recovery team, coordinated between SpaceX and the Australian Federal Government's Space Agency, finally guided the ship to shallower waters off Christmas Island, where engineers could begin examining it before towing it back to Starbase in the US. Locals didn't wait for permission, boats went out, cliffs filled up with onlookers, and Christmas Island Tourism Association Chair David Watchorn wasn't shy about his reaction, telling the Australian Broadcasting Corporation it was just there, huge. It's a timely reminder of how much is now falling from orbit too. Global launches have rocketed from under 600 in 2019 to more than 4,500 last year, and Flinders University space archaeologist Alice Gorman says the Southern Hemisphere is on track to see a growing share of the debris that comes down with them. Not all of it's planned either. A discarded 4-ton SpaceX upper stage crashed into the moon just 2 weeks before this one turned up off Western Australia. For SpaceX, deliberately proving it can bring a giant rocket down safely, on target, in open ocean is worth the hassle. As Richardson put it, any company not chasing reusable rockets is going to fall behind. Building one from scratch runs to roughly $100 million, and that's not a bill you want to pay twice.